Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swad. Today's topic, Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is more a style of eating than an official diet. The diet is a way of eating based on the traditional cuisines of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Italy, France, Greece, Spain, etc. It is generally accepted that the folks residing in these countries live longer and suffer less from cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Eating style vary among these countries and also even among regions within each country because of differences in culture, ethnic background, religion, economy, geography and agricultural production. A very rough estimate of the calorie distribution of this diet is 35 to 40% of fat, which mostly comes from plant-based sources, 15 to 20% of proteins, and 40 to 50% of carbohydrates. Now, coming on to the foods to be included and avoided. Foods to be included are vegetables and fruits. Mostly all the vegetables and fruits are included on the daily basis. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. Legumes such as beans, peas, lentils, pulses, peanuts, chickpeas, etc. Tubers such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, turnips, yams, etc. Whole grains such as whole oats, brown rice, rye, barley, corn, buckwheat, whole wheat, etc. Fish and seafood few times per week. Poultry such as chicken, duck, etc. that also few times per week. Eggs can be consumed daily basis or weekly. Dairy such as cheese, yogurt, etc. has to be consumed on daily basis. Herbs and spices have to be included. Healthy fats such as olive oils and avocados are to be consumed. In drinks, water has to be the main beverage. Red wine is also included in moderate amounts in this diet, and moreover, unsweetened beverages can be consumed anytime and any number of days. Foods to be avoided are added sugar foods such as soda, candies, ice cream, table sugar and many others. Refined grains such as white bread, pasta made with refined wheat, etc. Trans fats found in margarine and various processed foods. Refined oils such as soybean oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil and others. Processed meats such as processed sausages, hot dogs, etc. Highly processed foods, anything which is labeled low fat or diet or which looks like it was made in a factory has to be avoided. Advantages of the Mediterranean diet are it is filling. It has got more of fruits and vegetable consumption. That's why it keeps our gut healthy. It allows the consumption of red wine, so people assume it as a friendly diet for them. It is viewed as one of the most balanced diets as it includes more of the food groups, so there are very less nutritional deficiency can happen. It has got more health benefits because it is known as heart friendly diet, and also it keeps away type 2 diabetes. Now disadvantages of this diet are, first of all, it lacks the clear calorie distribution. It depends on the person to figure out how much calorie he or she requires. So in that way, people may end up eating more of foods. That's why this is also a disadvantage that people tends to overeat. It does not result into long-term weight reduction because people used to eat more in this diet, so weight reduction is very less, and moreover This diet is high in fats. So people generally eat more of fats, but it has to be more of monounsaturated fat, that is olive oil and avocados, which are good fats, but instead people consume more of fried foods and other fatty things which make them lead into obese. There is no one right way to follow the Mediterranean diet. Numerous studies have shown that this diet can cause weight loss and prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and premature deaths. One of the essential elements of this diet are sharing meals with family and friends. The diet has long been recognized as one of the healthiest and delicious ways to eat. So friends, this was all about Mediterranean diet. If you have any queries or you want any information regarding this diet, you can contact me on my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my channel. Stay connected. Thank you.